My A value is going to be the coefficient that is standing in front of the square. But if you don't see the number, it's number 1 that is there. B is equal to negative 17, and C is equal to the term without any letter attached to it, which is 30. Now we need to find the A, C, 30. The principle remains the same, that you need to find two numbers that multiply to give 30 and they add to give negative 17. 30, because there's a 17 here, we are certain only 15 and 2 could give us 17 by adding. So we know it's going to be 15 and 2, so we can isolate our 15 and our number 2. The next thing that we need to do now is to know what sign we need. That if AC is positive, and you're seeing it is positive, it's either we have two positive number or what? Two negative number. How are you going to know what to choose? Look at your B value. If the sign for B is negative, then it's going to be 2 negative. Remember, the context is when AC is positive. It's either you get plus plus or minus minus. So you let B tell you. So we realize that it's going to be minus minus. Now we're going to substitute these for negative 17C, which means you're going to have to put C on these. What do I mean? C, you take out your C, open your bracket, divide this by C, divide this by C. You're going to get C minus 15. Then over here, negative 2. So why do you take out negative 2? Because you need a positive C and a negative 15 up. So you have to think. So you have to use a negative right here. Like I have to use negative 2 such that when I divide negative 2 into negative 2C, I get the positive C, because this is a positive C and I need another positive C. Also, when I divide the 30 by negative 2, I need negative 15. And as you could see here, this is a negative 15. I definitely needed a negative 15 here. So there it is that our two brackets would have come back. What are we going to do now? We're going to just write one of these. Remember, everything is still equal to 0. We're solving. We're not leaving off that, because we are not just factoring, we are solving, but we are using the factoring skill to get the answer. So we have C minus 15 here. And then in the other bracket, remember, you're going to put the two things on the outside in there. So we're going to get C minus 2 in there. And this is equal to. So every time you factorize, either C minus 15 is a 0, or C minus 2 is a 0. Every time you factorize, you say this. And then you solve, because all you got to do is to just add 15 to both sides. Or you want to say you bring the 15 across, it doesn't matter. C is equal to 15. You could bring your 2 across over here, or you could say, let's add 2 to both sides, whatever you want to say. But you should get positive 2. And those are our answers. C is equal to 15. C is equal to 2. There are our answers. I will take any question.